What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Fuck 'em Up Phil, and I'm here with a brand new video on how to do a ball fade the easy way. It's the same way that I always do it, but let's get into the video.
I was talking crazy, hold my Glock, don't jam, gotta make it back home, take care of my little ones. When it's time to ride, I'm like, fuck making it this on.
Alright, so this is what my client looked like before we got to the cut. Just letting you guys see what's going on. First off, I start the cut just the same way I do everything. I comb the hair out, you know what I'm saying? You want to get all the little, get as much of the hair to lay down and smooth out as you can, because it's going to affect the way the blend and the cut comes out. This guy has his texture of hair is it's interesting. It's kind of different than normal, like most people. I cut a little bit more coarse. I don't know how to describe it, but anyways, even though his hair seems a little bit different to me, I do the same exact steps that I do on every head. I balled him out, put the guideline in there first, as you can see, and then after that I'm just gonna go all the way open on both sides. But yeah, take your time putting in these guidelines nice, neat, and uniform, because if you don't put them in that way, the blend's gonna be off and the fade's gonna be off, and you're not gonna remember where you're at in the fade. Just take your time, you know what I'm saying? Everything is better when you take your time. When you got your girlfriend and you guys are making sweet, sweet love, she doesn't want to get hammered like a jackrabbit all the time, Maybe that's cool, especially when you first meet each other, every now and then, but, not all the time, because that's going to hurt, That's a little education for you youngsters out there, okay? Yeah, just continuing to clean out the bottom of this fade here. And, yeah, you guys, that's all I'm doing. Drop me some video ideas, you guys, in the comment, because I'm trying to think of some stuff I want to upload every day. What do y'all want to see? Any challenges, just let me know. But here's the next step. I am going all the way open, and I just can proceed to make the first guideline in the fade, which is no guard, all the way open. I do this all the way around the head, and then I come back and I close my guard. I believe I closed it right here. No, I didn't. But to take that out, I'm going to close it halfway, as you can see here, and I'm going a little bit lower than where I was all the way open. I'm just trying to lighten that area up right before where I was before a little bit more. And then I'm going to close the guard, as you can see here. It's not all the way closed, it's a little bit above closed, and then hit that bottom line, and then I'm just going to close it all the way if it's not all the way closed. But either way, it's fine. Just close it all the way and just flick at that bottom line, and that's going to create that bottom blend effect. As you can see here, I just closed it all the way, and I'm just hitting at that bottom line. That creates the first step of a fade. Congratulations, guys. You're almost on your way to being 360 Jeezy and Chris Bazio and Vic Blends and all these other freaking YouTube barbers. You are well on your way. You do the fucking best fades in the world, you guys. So here, I'm just going to throw on a 1.5 guard. I'm closing it all the way, just kind of lightening that area up, laying the base ground foundation of that top half of that fade. And yeah, just keep working that area until it gets like all of it gets like kind of like a similar color. You don't really want to create a line, you know what I'm saying, in the top of the head. Then I'm going right below that with my 1 guard all the way open, and I'm trying to lighten up that area right under that 1.5 a little bit more, so we can create more of a blend effect. Then once I finish all the way open, I go all the way closed, as you can see here, go right under, a little bit under where I was, all the way open. As you can see here, I open back up and just going in a little spots that I feel like need to be touched a little bit. And it's okay once you learn these steps to go back and forth in different spots, open and close. Just remember, as a rule of thumb, First start with a guard open, then close it and go right up under that, and go with the lower guard open and then close it, and then go right under that with the lower guard open and then close it. When you close it, you want to go a little bit lower than when you were open. So that's what the same thing I'm doing here with this 0. I'm going a little bit below that one close, halfway open. Okay, then I go all the way close, a little bit lower again. And that was Terry, my shop owner, mentor, fucking sensei, whatever you want to call him. Yeah, subscribe to his channel, link in the description. Right here, I'm just trying to knock a little bit of the bulk down and the hair smooth out some. I had the one closed, and now I'm open with it. Just, you'll see barbers, you know what I'm saying, in the shop just playing with the lever sometimes. That's what you gotta do, guys. And that side's not completely done. I'll come back later and detail it a little bit more. But sometimes you're going to just move on once you got the foundation of a fade in, and come back later. Because if you're spending too much time, for me, it's just, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna just sit there forever and just try to get something perfect when you can just come back, you know, take some time off. Like I'm gonna do Saturday, I'm gonna take me a little vacation, take you a little time off, you guys, you know what I'm saying, come back and perfect that shit later. But this is the other side of the head. I'm doing the exact same thing that I was doing on the other side. And yeah, I actually cut the hair down in the beginning of the cut. I just moved this to this part because I wanted to show you guys the other side first, me cutting that. But I cut it down with a 1.5 closed. Yep. And then I just proceed to fade the other side just like I did that side, just like I did the other side. But you guys, thank you for watching. You freaking welcome me back to YouTube with a warm welcome. Thank you so much. Even though most of my viewers are not my subscribers, so I don't know who I'm talking to right now. But yeah, give me some ideas, man. What do y'all want to see? Drop it below in the comments. I got some ideas. I'm probably gonna buy some drunk goggles. You know, the goggles that you put on and it like simulates what a drunk person would look like. Well, not look like, what the fuck, what they would see like if they were drunk. And I'm probably gonna get those, put them on, and try to do a cut, do drunk goggle challenge, put it on YouTube. I really want to do a fucking underwater cut. Don't know when that's gonna happen. I don't fucking know. Probably won't happen for a long time. It's just an idea. But yeah, man, maybe tonight. I was thinking about going to New Orleans, which I said in a whole ass video before, and trying to cut out there with the alien mask on, because today is actually Halloween. Who knows? Maybe I'll get enough fucking energy and just enough fucking let's fucking get up and go do that. I don't know, man. I'm gonna try to drop some more vlogs for y'all. But oh yeah, 2020 BarberCon, y'all. 2020 BarberCon. Y'all know they have different BarberCons in different cities throughout the year. But in November, which is the month we're in right now, November 20th, they're gonna have BarberCon in Atlanta, and I will be there. I will be vlogging. Hopefully I get to meet some celebrity barbers. If not when I say celebrity barbers, I mean just like, you know, YouTube barbers. Chris Bazio, maybe Vic Blends, I don't know. Vic Blends probably should be there, hopefully, because he is in Atlanta. That's where he bought his new house at, right? But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging that, and I probably would have tried to get in the competition, but it's a little secret. I don't have my license yet, you guys. I'm still a student barber, and they don't have a student barber category open. So I'm probably not gonna be doing that. And yeah. Anyways, what else should I talk about? Oh, I don't know. I just said oh for no reason. But yeah, man. Hopefully next year I get to go to the CT Barber Expo. I will be at that. I watched a video where Bazio was talking about, you know, you gotta take some vacation times off, do some things you like. So that's what I'm gonna be getting into more next year, vlogging that stuff, putting it up on the channel. And yeah, Yeah. If I want to go to the fucking moon, I'm gonna go to the fucking goddamn moon. But anyways, here I'm just detailing that other side again, like I said. And I went through and detailed a little bit more. I didn't put it all on the video. You know what I'm saying? I'm just hitting any dark spots in the fade using the corner of my blades, all the way open. You know what I'm saying? When I don't have a guard on there. Sometimes I'll throw a guard on. You'll see me extra high in the fade sometimes, all the way open. That's just because I just developed that skill over. I haven't been cut for 2 years yet. It's been like a year and 8 months. But the longer you cut, I see now, the better you get at detailing, and the concept of it just comes along with repetitions. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, don't stress if y'all don't really understand detailing and stuff like that. That stuff's all. These people y'all seen on YouTube doing these cuts been cutting for like over 10 years, dude. Don't be trying to be exactly like them. I am not even a 2-year barber yet, and I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna post these damn cuts. But here, when I do a line up, as you can see, I knocked down the front of the line with a 1 all the way open. Then I sprayed the hair with some holding spray, and then I came back and lined it up, starting in the middle. You want to go towards the side that's highest first, and then go to the lowest side, the side that's lower, so you can bring it up and match it with the higher side. Then I put on my pencil. I saw that the lineup was uneven right there on the left side, so I wiped off the pencil. I come back with my saber tooth cats, go in there, angle that clipper, that trimmer. I keep on calling them trimmers. I mean clippers. I don't know what I'm saying. I keep on calling them clippers. They're trimmers. But I fixed that. You know what I'm saying? You want to, when you go to the edge like that, when your lineup's droopy, you got to tilt the edge of your trimmer, you know what I'm saying, up a little bit, so the lineup will actually be straight. It's weird. Like, you got to tilt the trimmer up. It almost seems like a pushback, but it's not. But that's how you get that like truly straight line instead of like a curved rainbow line. And yeah, so then I put the enhancement on there, fiber, boom bow, as you can see. And then I go back one more time and line it up just to blend in that pencil that I put in. And yeah, guys, make sure y'all blend in that pencil, man. Don't be leaving that shit on their head. Some people will ask for it like that, and only leave it there if they ask for it. You know, I notice mostly only certain type of people want that, and you definitely don't want to leave people angry, you know. So work that blend so it can be a win. But anyways, just finishing up the little lineup, touching up, do my last touch-ups here. Man, I love these damn sabers, bro. They don't never get hot on me like my Bablets do. They do get hot, but they're not the same as like my Bablets. I feel like the blade on the Bablets is just way more harsh. I don't know what it is. It's heavier. I don't know. Here I go back and detail the back a little bit, and I took out that bottom line. But here's the end of the cut. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back in the next video.
Boss talk, make them bring it to your doorway. 4 pockets full, whipping up a 4-way. Realest in it.